So, everyone thought this was about a bank robbery? Oh, come on! Yeah, of course. We're all pure and innocent here, right? By the way, a bank robbery can be done in 3 ways. The first way, old school. Pure classic. You're on site, right by the bank. Check your watches and put on your masks. Oh, wow. What are you, clowns? Seriously? All right. To hell with it. You, keep the engine running and wait. And you, don't forget to shout the magic words at the door. Nobody move. This is a robbery. No comments. Time's tight. You've got about 10 minutes before the cops arrive. 1, make sure nobody moves. 2nd, straight to the counter. Grab the cash. Banks have 3 main places where money and valuables are kept. The counter, safe deposit boxes, and the vault. Why are you sitting there? Is that a ticket from the electronic queue? What are you, a total cactus? Move it! Clock's ticking! Usually, bank counters are protected by bulletproof glass and solid metal doors. Whoa, calm down, relax. Good bulletproof glass is about 2 to 2.5 inches thick. It's made of multiple thinner layers bonded together with polymer. That kind of glass easily stops rounds from a Kalashnikov rifle. And it definitely doesn't care about hammers, axes, or stupid expendable clones. Find the branch manager and head to the deposit boxes. In big fancy banks, the boxes are inside the vault, deep inside. Heavy doors, serious locks. In simpler banks, it's just a room with a solid door, opened with a key. Whoa, is that the manager? Are you asking her out on a date or robbing a bank? Did you take the key from her or what? Why are you being polite? Rifle to the head and she'll do everything. There you go, see? Okay, face down, make her kiss the floor. Once you reach the boxes, a question comes up. Which ones actually have something valuable? Open them all, we'll sort it out later. Just don't touch box number 13. Not everyone stores cash and gemstones in a bank. Some keep documents, some keep grandma's keepsakes, artwork, or other random junk. However, you're not allowed to store explosives, weapons, hazardous substances, food, or animals. A standard safe deposit box is about 8.3 inches wide, 13.4 inches deep, and 2 inches high. That box fits exactly $300,000 in cash. There are boxes that are 4 inches and 8 inches high. Those can hold $600,000 or $1.2 million, respectively. Doesn't look like much, huh? And what are you grinning at? What did you find there? You, a little parasite. You did open box number 13. All right, time's running out. Grab whatever you can and get out. Walking into a bank and making everyone shake doesn't take much brain power. The hardest part is leaving unnoticed and staying ahead of the law. Throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, only a few robbers actually got away. And even they were caught later, either during another robbery or betrayed by their partners. What? It doesn't fit? Too bad. Why did you grab so much? Do you have no limit? Oh, look at that. Movers just showed up. Good luck. Hello? Does your bank have a vault? The most secure one in the world? Really? How interesting. Then, we are coming to you. Oh, don't worry about business hours. We'll come at night. No one will be there? Perfect. Subscribe and wait.